Hi, I just want to show you how to keep long nails clean. This is my nails, how they look. I know normally sometimes maybe you've been doing a bit of work or been in the garden, or I don't really know how the dirt can get sometimes under the nails. Under this bit you normally see a line of black under each nail. However one might get it, but I'd just like to show you how you could clean that out. I know I should start off normally with a dirty nail, but because my nails never get dirty due to the way I wash my hands all the time with my nails, all I can do is show you how I keep my nails clean. Okay, here we go. So first of all, I like to rinse. Use any hand wash of your choice just to get the soap and the foam going. Move it around a little bit. And what I like to do is take my nail and scratch it on the hand. That gets all the soap right underneath the nail, and that is essentially what cleans it off. Do that a couple of times, rinse off. What I also like to do is, if you could turn your hand the other way, use your nail, well, thumbnail, and then you go under each nail. Left, what I do, right to left, but whichever makes you feel more comfortable. This is what you need to be doing in a circular motion under each individual nail. And also, after that, I also like to pick out anything that could be stuck in the nail as well. So I'll just get my finger and just literally just pick under each nail. Then I'll put more soap on again. Rinse. And that's how I keep my nails clean. Hope you've enjoyed this video. This is what my nails look like. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much.